25 kilometers of distance. Woo! La 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 la. I have no words for this beauty. Not the bike, huh? The landscape. That's incredible. It looks a lot like the Balkans, but with less colors. Ah. And the river. Oh, la, la, la. It's the end of the day. There are less cars. The landscape is wonderful. And the road is flat. I can have a decent speed. I'm happy. I just set my tent in this lovely place and look what's coming, the rain. Timing is perfect. I bought some bread in the village here. It's going to rain. I have to call my friend in 30 minutes. I have to eat.